Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a very beautiful detachable collar neck design which is of lace pattern. I am using a 5mm steel crochet hook for this project and a 3-ply cotton yarn in red color. So first of all, we would make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, make chain 1 and then chain 2. Now we would work into the chain 1. So go into this chain 1 and then pull a loop, then pull the yarn through 2 loops. This is called a single crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go on these 2 loops of single crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch into it like this. Make 3 chains and now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go on these 2 loops which are on first of chain 3 and second of double crochet stitch and make a double crochet into it. Again make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go in these top loops and pull the yarn. Pull through first 2 loops and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Make 3 chains again and then go into these 2 top loops and make a double crochet stitch in them. These 2 loops are of chain 3 and double crochet stitch. So we would work in these loops and we would make double crochet after chain 3 in this way. Make it as long as required for your collar neck. I have made 36 times chain 3 and double crochet stitches for my size. You can increase or decrease this number. Now we would start next row, make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet. Now on the side of this double crochet stitch right here, make a double crochet, then make another double crochet onto the side of this double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1. Now we would work onto side of next double crochet stitch. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 on the side of this double crochet stitch. Make chain 1. Now we would work on the side of third double crochet stitch. So make 2 double crochet stitches into it. Now make chain 1 again, work on the side of this double crochet stitch which is fourth stitch and make 2 double crochet stitches into it. Repeat this pattern till the end. I have made all double crochet stitches here on the side of double crochet stitches. Now in the last, here is our single crochet stitch. We would make a double crochet into it. Now to start the next row, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, turn up the work and we would work into this chain 1 space between double crochet stitches. Pull the yarn through 2 loops, wrap the yarn again go into the ring and draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all 3 loops together. This is called double crochet 2 together stitch. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and then chain 5. So after making 5 chains, wrap the yarn again, go into this same chain 1 space, draw a loop, pull the yarn through first 2, wrap the yarn again, go into this chain 1 space, draw a loop, pull the yarn through first 2. Now pull the yarn through all 3 loops together to make a double crochet 2 together stitch. Now in this next chain 1 space we would make a V stitch. So first of all make a double crochet stitch into it like this, then make chain 1 and make a double crochet stitch into it again. So this is called our V stitch. Now into the next one we would make double crochet together shell stitch. So first of all make double crochet 2 together stitch, then make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and then into the same chain 1 space we would make double crochet 2 together again. Then into the next chain we would make V stitch again. So make double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet in this next chain 1 space. Now we would make shell stitch again into the next chain 1 and in this way we would make shell stitches and V stitches in every chain 1 space one after the other. So I have completed all stitches here. Now in the end make a double crochet here into the chain 3 space, make 3 chains, turn up the work. Now make a double crochet in this space between double crochet stitch and this shell stitch, make 3 chains and in the chain 5 space make a single crochet like this and now make 3 chains. After making 3 chains go into the very first chain and make a slip stitch into it. This is chain picot. After making this chain picot make a single crochet in this chain 5 space again. Then make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Now in this V stitch chain 1 space make 1 double crochet, then make 3 chains to make a chain picot. Make a slip stitch into the first chain 3. This is chain picot. Now make a double crochet into the same chain 1 space of V stitch. So this is our pattern. Make 3 chains again, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and make a single crochet in the chain 5 space of shell stitch. Then make 3 chains to make a chain picot. Make a slip stitch into the first chain picot is made. Then make a single crochet into the same chain 5 space. Now make 3 chains. A double crochet in the chain 1 space of V stitch. 3 chains. Slip stitch into the first chain. Then a double crochet into this V stitch, chain 1 space. So this is our pattern. Proceed this pattern till the end. and in the end we would make a first of all make 3 chains, and then we would make a double crochet together stitch into the chain 3 space, and our round is completed. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and then chain 5. Turn up the work. Now in this chain 3 space here, make a single crochet, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and then chain 5. Make a single crochet in the next chain 3 space here. After chain picot, chain 1, chain 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and make a single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and a single crochet into the next chain 3 space. So make chain 5 and single crochet in every chain 3 space till the end with the same process. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2, and make a double crochet stitch into the double crochet together stitch which we have made previously. Now make chain 1, turn up the work, and in the same double crochet stitch make a single crochet, chain 1. Now we would work in this first chain 5 space here, make a double crochet stitch into it, then make 3 chains, make a chain picot by making a slip stitch into the first chain, then make a double crochet into this chain 5 space again make a chain picot, make a double crochet, third time make a chain picot again, then a double crochet, fourth time, so this is our pattern. Now make chain 1, and into the next chain 5 space right here we would make a single crochet like this. Now make chain 1, and we would start working into the next chain 5 space, make a double crochet stitch into it, then a chain picot, second double crochet, chain picot, then third double crochet stitch and a chain picot, and then fourth double crochet stitch, chain 1 after that, and we would make a single crochet into this next chain 5 space. So make a shell in first chain 5 space and a single crochet in the next one till the end. Now in the end make chain 1, and here into the third chain, 1 2 3, here is the third chain, into the third chain we would make a single crochet stitch. So make a single crochet then chain 1 and pull the yarn. Cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave this yarn end with the help of tapestry needle. So I have woven the yarn ends as well. Now we would use a black color yarn to make a line on this collar neck and a little straps for collar as well. Make a slip knot first. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would make a puff in the start. Make chain 1, chain 2. In this first chain, we would make a puff. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. And then draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, leave the other 2. We would make this 3 times. And now we have 4 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through all 4 loops together. This is double crochet 4 together, 3 together, sorry. Then we would start making chains. After making the required length of chain to make a bow knot, for this purpose I have made 50 chains. We would start working a line around this collar neck. So we would join this black color yarn into the very first starting point of single crochet stitch, and we would make a single crochet into it. Then make chain 1 and chain 2, and now we would make a single crochet stitch at the place of chain 3 and double crochet. Then make 2 chains again, make a single crochet into the next place of chain 3 and double crochet. So this stitch of single crochet is made at the top of every chain 3 and double crochet stitch which is made. So we would make chain 2 and single crochet till the end of other side, and we would make 50 chains for bow knot on the other side as well. I have made 50 chains. Now make 2 more chains, and we would make double crochet 3 together here on this side as well. Pull the yarn through all loops together, make chain 1 and pull the yarn. Cut it with the help of cutter. Remove the extra yarn strand, and now we would weave these 2 yarn ends with the help of needle as well. So I have woven the yarn ends, and our collar neck is ready. Firstly make a simple knot, and then we would make a bow knot. So I hope you guys like this tutorial video of collar